Hi beauty lovers, this was supposed to be a full Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, but it is what it is. I recorded a full tutorial for you guys to watch and create your own version at home, but I can't even begin to explain the pain. I uploaded all the raw unedited videos to CapCut, edited a video of about 11 minutes into my phone, like to export the video from CapCut to my phone, then got distracted, left my phone for some, then completely forgot and deleted the raw files I had on my phone without checking if I had registered the main video, only to enter CapCut later when I was looking for the video to realize that there were so many missing parts to the video I had edited. So what you're seeing in this video is just what the other parts that were left. So I hope you learned something. So far I've moisturized, primed, and right now I'm just adding more primer to her oily zones. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and follow us for more content on makeup, and you can bring suggestions. And for my foundation, I'll be using this Nars foundation. I can't remember the shade, but I'm going to link it below, which I'll just apply with a flat brush, then blend with a soft damp beauty blender. Thank you for watching this far. Don't forget to like, share, comment, or even drop your ideas so we can recreate them, so we know you appreciate and love our content. For concealer, I'll be going in with this Born This Way concealer in the shade golden beige, which I'll just be applying under the eyes and on her T-zones. And with my same blender, I'll just start blending from the cheek to the nose to the forehead. Then lastly, under the eyes, I just went in with a deeper shade of foundation, which I apply on her jawline, her nose, then blended. For blush, I went in with the pink shade from my lipstick palette, which I just applied on the high points of her cheekbones, then blended with my same blender. I just changed sides. I further brightened her under eye with another concealer, still Born This Way in the shade marshmallow. Then I went in to powder everything up and set everything. So for the eyes, after placing and blending my concealer, I will just smoke the outer corner of the eyes, then add some golden shimmer in the inner corners. Do my eyebrows, then blend off the excess powder, enhance blush and contouring. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. Do well to subscribe, like, and share our page for more content. I'll definitely be more careful next time so you don't miss any part. See you in our next video. Ciao ciao.